Hello guys, Sergi is back. My apologies for disappearing for so long. My laptop decided to break down after it got new Windows updates. All this time I was trying to reanimate my laptop doing various ways, and finally I got it up and running. So back to the topic of this video. I want to share my experience about Rewarded Play app using friends referral bonus redemption. As you may know, they have a referral program. If someone installs the app using referral link and they receive their first gift card, and I will get 45k points, which is enough to get a $5 gift card. At some point I had someone who got their first gift card via my link. When I went to redeem it, the issue occurred and the message said I needed to contact support via this app. But immediately after reading this, my account got terminated permanently. I was like, what? What for? What have I done wrong? 2 days after, they returned my account back to life without any explanation. And then they sent a message that I needed to be verified. I was asked to send a picture of my mail where my full name and zip code could be seen. So I did that, I sent all of this, verification was complete, and I thought I could get my $5 gift card, but no. Now they said they were waiting for people who were invited by me to complete verification as well, which is kind of frustrating. There is not a word about it. In that referral section you can find how it works. They said, invite your friend, they earn a gift card, you get one too. Not a word about verification. Basically at this point I completed everything what is written, and now I cannot get my money. I have 6 people who got invited by me and got their first gift cards. There is in total $30, but this money is stuck. If you guys who are watching are among these 6 people, could you please check your Reward Play app? If there is any message that you need to pass verification, and if you are able to do so, please do it so we all can verify that this referral thing is working properly. All money that I get from rewards I will spend on the future apps if they will require any money to pay to check it for you, so you don't need to waste your money. Thank you for your help, I truly appreciate it. Have a good day.